An introduction into shorter length. So what we've got here is medium length. We're going to be slicked back, long curtain bangs, heavy in the middle, falling down on the center profile. We're going to have finger length graduation. Going to be graduating the back using cross grad, bringing this in a little bit tighter through all of here. So we find the round of the head. So you can see the comb will balance about there. That's where we find the highest part of the head. So we just do a radial section from there. We just comb everything straight out. We're using our index finger and we're dividing always. So we want to find a profile section like we did on the long square layers. We want about comb's width. Bring this all the way down. We're sectioning. So you guys can see, a little bit too much, but we want to keep it as square as we possibly can. With our square layers, and this is doing pretty much square layers, but we're doing it on a shorter version. So just working around with the head shape. We've just got this little part through here. So as you can see, I'm doing slightly bigger sections. So I'm just trying to eliminate as much of that hair as we possibly can. So you can see he's got this nice cowlick there. Then what we want to do is completely section that off so we're not cutting too much into the fringe. And then we want to get into the graduation diagonal back on the sides. And we want to grab this and bring it off the head. We want to bring it down and off. Pretty much with the back of our hands being as tight as to the head as we're going to come under it. And we're going to check, see our guide there, cover that. As we get to the back, I want to graduate over the top of this, just a little bit. We want to completely saturate everything. We want to comb the hair straight down the middle. And we want to leave our internal weight as the heaviest point because we want everything to kind of sit over nice and heavy. What I like to do through here is I like to just find where the shortest point of the graduation that we just did is, and I'm going to layer everything on top of that. So nice and simple, I'm elevating everything completely off the head. There's our grad. We're literally just coming straight off the head with it. And then now, when we get to this point, we want to elevate everything down because we want the length on the front to be as long as we possibly can have it. Because this gives us a little bit more. So we're just getting everything pretty much to 80% dry. And I'm pretty much going straight into our scissor work that we just did before. It's our 1.5. We're going to skip our number 2 guard and just go straight in with our number 1.5. I'm going to close that. And we're pretty much choosing the silhouette that which we're going to fade. We've done our 1.5. I'm going to go in with my trimmer. Then we're going to go into our 0.5 guard all the way close. I'm gonna go into my C-cups. We want to keep everything pretty much as natural as we possibly can. So what separates the amateur barbers from the professional ones, and what separates you from your competition, is little finishing touches. And it's also what the clients actually remember and what they take away from these haircuts. A pencil. See what it looks like as a middle part. It's nice and heavy through the sides, nice and square through here. Important to our final result because we can just smash out a taper when everything's oh, that's it.